Hi! In front of me is Tecno Camon 18 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on More Connections. Now select Bluetooth at the top and click on this gray sweater next to Bluetooth feature to activate it. Over here, click on one of your available devices, in my case this one, and wait for the pop-up. In order to continue, you need to select Pair and wait for the other device to do the same. Now after a couple of seconds, my devices are successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect your devices, click on this gear icon next to the chosen one and tap on Forget at the bottom left corner. Then confirm your choice in this pop-up. If you want to connect the same one, just click on it and follow all of those instructions again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!